Are you searching for top-notch automotive repair in Libertyville? Look no further than Autolab, your trusted partner for all your vehicle maintenance needs. When it comes to automotive repair, Libertyville residents know that quality and convenience are paramount. At Autolab, we understand that your time is valuable. That's why we've revolutionized automotive repair in Libertyville with our range of customer-focused services. Need a ride while your car is being serviced? Our free shuttle service has you covered. Or perhaps you'd prefer one of our free loaner cars? We've got that too. What sets us apart in the world of automotive repair in Libertyville is our commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction. We don't just fix cars, we build lasting relationships with our clients. From free tire rotations to complimentary car washes, we go above and beyond to ensure your experience with us is nothing short of exceptional. Our team of expert technicians specializes in all aspects of automotive repair. Libertyville drivers can rest easy knowing their vehicles are in capable hands. We offer same-day service for many repairs, because we know that in Libertyville, automotive repair shouldn't mean putting your life on hold. Don't let car troubles slow you down. Choose Autolab for all your automotive repair needs in Libertyville. We're more than just a service provider, we're your automotive partners, committed to keeping you on the road and ensuring your peace of mind. Experience the difference with Autolab, where automotive repair in Libertyville meets unparalleled service and convenience. Visit us today and see why we're Libertyville's first choice for automotive repair.